Cek cek, halo. Cek cek, halo. Jatuh cinta. Sayang padamu. Halo Nyet. Mainyet, mainyet. Timpalin ya, Dit, timpalin ya, Dit. Pil dek no maru milih no maru bangun cang banyak bang pragat nih bang ada kena di pos info kan masih milih nih Wi, masih milih nih anjay kalau nganten Maya Cia. Ini oke sih. Delong. I don't know, so nice. Anjir. Wayah, betul. Kalah nggak, Cang? Gratis priwet. Langsungan priwet nih. Ini kan caranya live gini aja. Kalau di Satpam Baldes mintain tolong untuk di live kan Gi. Yogi memang tadi insinyur ya. Sukses semua ya dari banyak G. Jangan lupa rating bintang 5 nanti. Ngalap nih. Uhuy. Anjing bapak ini. As a million days. Hai beli Rian. Gimana job bulan ini rame nih Rian Rian visual. Oh, lalu Kang Wang ngejob promosi foto STT mana? Oh. Video nemetennya edit otomatis itu otomatis. Nah, YouTube Ragong edit tuh Ragong edit. Kasih statue dulu ya. berapa keluar budget buat renovnya? Sini Ngur tuh. Langsung ke gini ya. Jangan di live nyebutin angka. Sini melalui. Langkung jatuh cinta. Kau ada pemiliknya. Kapan membohongi. Dari gejolak cinta ini, izinkanlah sayang padamu. Izinkanlah aku mencintaimu. Oke wi. Semangat kerpoknya. Membohongi dari gejolak cinta ini, ya izinkanlah aku mencintaimu. Mencintaimu, sayang padamu, kanlah aku mencintaimu, menyarukan sayang padamu, ya kanlah aku mencintaimu, sayang padamu, Sik. Dan membohongi gejolak cinta ini, izinkanlah aku mencintaimu. Oh, ini gagah nih wi. Ini nggak bagus nih. Dah. cobaan.
Listen here, Coco is me in your fucking area.
I never thought that falling down below could lift me up to new beginnings. Them silver linings start to change into gold, and somehow the world just keeps on spinning. The winds of change send me flying. At times it felt like I was dying. Who knows if it'll all be worth it? At least I can say that I did it my way. I made it out the dark, and every uphill battle's been a blessing, not a scar. My way might never reach the start. At least I can say that I did it my way from the start. My way, I made it out the dark, and every uphill battle's been a blessing, not a scar. My way might never reach the start. At least I can say that I did it my way from the start. My way, my way, my way. At least I can say that I did it my way from the start. I never knew that all them sleepless nights could be the wake-up call I needed. I may have lost the battle time after time, but I still stand there undefeated. The winds of change send me flying. At times it felt like I was dying. Who knows if it'll all be worth it? At least I can say that I did it my way. I made it out the dark, and every uphill battle's been a blessing, not a scar. My way might never reach the start. At least I can say that I did it my way from the start.
Beli export portrait sama landscape di Gip, pakai resolusi berapa? Kalau di G itu udah ada gini ya. Apa tuh maksimal settingannya masing-masing. Bisa cek di gini ya, lebih lengkapnya di internet. Tapi kalau biasanya kalau aku landscape 1080 kali 1920 pixel. Kalau landscape 3:4 1440 kali 1080. Masih banyak lagi resolusi lainnya, tapi yang sering dipakai dua itu aja.
Ku
kasar tentang dunia. Ah, shit. Ah, ya.
Coco is me in your fucking area.
Sudah uang nih man beli ya timpal ya. Support Bang Lee kau nih. Pasti nak beli Bang Lee nih, beli nih. Up beli nih. Mount G. Everyday you are. Sick luôn bạn chơi.
Listen, dear. Coco is me in your fucking area.
Cerita kita tak semangat membara anjir. Oke. Kopal pebalang nih tadi model tuh ya. Kopal pebalang of the year. Bukan. Nih gini nih baju katalog, model baju buat promosi baju. Bukan pre-wed ya. Tapi konsepnya couple ya.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go.
Amuba, gaskan Amuba aja. Tunggu baju foto. Oh, perdana nih STT bikin katalog buat baju biar lebih culture, bikin foto model dulu. Halo Mas, tanggal 5 terapat manggo. Aing kosong. Tanggal 5 sing.
Down the streets, right through the city, I'll go everywhere you go. From Chicago to the coast, you tell me hit this and let's go. Blow the smoke right through the window, 'cause this is how we know.
Hujannya nyileh chứ liung lah tripod.
Guess this is how we know. Guess this is how we know. Never face each other. One bed, different covers. We don't care.
Ingat aja ko, gaskan wiku tanggal 15. Aman.
Two hearts
Aman.
beating on with the
Before Hootsuite,
Dijamin
had a separate
terbaik
role
nanti.
and browser tab for every single social tab.
Jangan lupa suruh pacarnya buat nyari setelan biar warnanya nggak nabrak ya. Warna common lah, warna bajunya. Biar nggak nabrak sama bangunannya. Kan di Meru tuh. Biar bagus hasil fotonya. Di mana? Siap Jekku, aman. Aman untuk tanggal 15. Yuk, on graduate tanggal 15. Berapa? Sebelum itu kita lihat progres baju ini dulu ya. Makin beda dengan mama. Thank you J, udah tap J. Pokoknya nanti foto terbaik buat J jalan pacarnya. Seperti yang satu ini. Asik. Jangan lupa tap ya. Bola boleh. Hari weekend kata mete.
Jutaan pengguna aktif scrolling di TikTok. Iklanmu bisa menjangkau lebih dari
Wow, ini terlalu keras bassnya. aku bicara.
Somebody gonna match my freak. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Till I'm talking, got my throat happy. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I am gonna get attached. Does it feel like heaven when it hurts so bad? Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that, just like that. Been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. Big gun, pull up, make a scene. Body same, no vibe, you can leave. Shotgun, got eyes on the seat. I ain't got nothing underneath. Inside, you gotta spend the night. Inside, I'm about to change your life. Right back, been staying for a week, so I might just let 'em take a leak.
In my day as if it was the last. In my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done.
On and on and on.
Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wanna said too much, but that's all it was. So I gave it up. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Don't listen to them.
Good what a day now. Dancing sun. I know. Yeah, I understand and live with you.
They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different deep inside us. We're not that different at all. When you have the end on my heart, yes, you won't be
Been love.
from this day on, now and forever.
You listen today. Guess what the day now.
To have to hold, they'll see in time. I know. When destiny calls you,
You must be strong.
I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know.
Tiada yang hebat mempesona ketika kau lewat di hadapanku. biasa saja. Aku berkenalan, lewatlah sudah. Ada yang menarik, pancaran diri terus mengganggu. Mendengar cerita sehari-hari yang wajar tapi tetap mengasyikkan. Kini rasa sungguh, semakin kau jauh, semakin rasa dekat. Akan ku kembangkan kasih yang kau tanam di dalam hatiku.
Lagi kau kan mencintaiku menurutmu, apa yang bisa terjadi dalam semua? Hanya bersiap, tak ada yang tahu. Aku takut tak pernah ada yang lama menungguku sejak dulu yang terjadi sebelumnya. Semua takut padamu. Memang tidak mudah mencintai diri ini, namun aku berjanji akan berjuang seperti semestinya. Is that not the only first place?
Some nice sun.
Something we're saving is all for the taking. I always say, oh, be better, oh, seven. You know that this matters. Dreaming no sadder. Drinking more alcohol for the past 5 years. Did you check on me? Or did you look for me? I walked in the room, eyes are red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? Nobody will know the paranoia. Cause I put a smile on my face. The facade you can never face. And if you don't know me well, you won't see how buried I am inside my grave. Inside my grave. Cause you see people don't really know you. They don't really know you. Cause you see people, they don't really know you. They don't really know.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, oh. Baby, come give me your lo. Tell me like Shawty, come give me your lo.
Anjir. Nice. Halo, cek mic dulu ya. Cek mic dulu ya. Edit di APK apa beli? Ini belum edit ya, masih nyortir. Namanya PX Gate. Dia biar lebih gampang buat nyortir foto-foto. Wow, cakep banget. Nice banget fotonya. Kurang jauh sih. Tapi foto Rihanna Jolie belum selesai. Baru selesai nyortir aja tadi. Besok lihat ya di akun Yohanonya dan gitu. Jadi kita lanjut ke kerja weddingan lagi.
I'm at the point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me,
Oke. Cakep.
I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay.
Halo, selamat bergabung.
Who are you to judge?
Apa kelebihannya nyortir di sana? Nggak nyeret lagi. Tinggal klik pakai di keyboard. Kalau misalnya mau ke folder, dia langsung direct ke folder dengan hanya klik keyboard. Bisa di custom sih. Kalau aku di sini pakai 1 gitu. Keyboard klik nomor 1, angka 1 yang di keyboard tuh langsung masuk ke folder. Kalau biasanya manual kan harus nyeret itu, atau mungkin dipilih dulu baru diseret. Agak ribet aja sih kalau halo. Seperti itu. Ini bagus banget. Wow. Aku aduh yang mana? Sama yang mau kasih dari mimpi-mimpi. Di mabuk asmara.
namun ku sanggup